For you call him a man. How many seas must the weight of sail before she sleeps in the sand? Yes, know how many times must the cannon fly before they're forever bent? The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Yes, and how many years can a mountain exist before it is forced to the sea? Yes, and how